number 1, Patrycja Strzelczyk, Poland, and China, Fuzia Aisi, Bulgaria. Patrycja Strzelczyk, Poland, and Fuzia Aisi, Bulgaria, that will be next to fight on the mat number 1. Now on the mat number 2, we are waiting for Arsulu Tynybekova of Kyrgyzstan and Nikki Elizabeth Robotin. Arsulu Tynybekova, silver Olympic Games medalist. We are waiting for a coach from Canada, Nikki Robotin. We are waiting for you. Nikki Robotin from Canada, we are waiting for you. Nikki Robotin, coach, is running now, so we can start fight. The winner is Arsulu